Welcome to your online class. This is Bilal Khan from Peshawar Public School and College. Let's begin our lecture of the day. In the previous lessons, for quite some time, we have been discussing organic compounds, different types of organic compounds, the way these organic compounds are classified. Organic compounds can be classified in two ways. There is this classification of organic compounds on the basis of structure and functional group. On the basis of structure, organic compounds are classified into two main classes: the aliphatic organic compounds and the cyclic organic compounds. The aliphatic organic compounds are divided into straight chain as well as the branch chain organic compounds. We have discussed the aliphatic hydrocarbons in some detail. Another type of hydrocarbons or organic compounds is the cyclic hydrocarbons. The cyclic hydrocarbons are divided into two types: the homocyclic and the heterocyclic. The homocyclic organic compounds are those organic compounds that have carbon atoms in their rings. These organic compounds are classified into alicyclic organic compounds as well as aromatic organic compounds. We have discussed the aliphatic as well as the alicyclic organic compounds. These include alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, cyclocompounds, the cycloalkanes, cycloalkenes, and cycloalkynes. Today we are going to discuss the aromatic hydrocarbons. So let's start with the aromatic hydrocarbons. The aromatic compounds are compounds that have at least one benzene ring in their structure. Compounds with at least one benzene ring in their structure. So the question arises, what a benzene ring is. What benzene is? Benzene is a hydrocarbon that has got 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. The molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. It has got 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. Let's explore the molecular structure of benzene a little bit. We are already familiar with the concept of hybridization. So we will apply that concept here. In the molecule of benzene, there are 6 carbon atoms. Each carbon atom is Sp2 hybridized. Each carbon atom in benzene is Sp2 hybridized. And let's discuss Sp2 hybridization a little bit. This is carbon atom, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2. This is the ground state. Now, if this carbon atom in the ground state absorbs some energy, it can go into the excited state. These electrons, one of the electrons from the 2s orbital moves to the 2p orbital, and you will have this configuration. Now, this 2s and 2px orbitals will mix with each other. This is the excited state. You will get 3 hybridized orbitals, each with 1 electron. So each carbon atom in benzene is Sp2 hybridized. It's going to use these Sp2 hybridized orbitals to make bonds with hydrogen atoms, sigma bonds with hydrogen atoms. And this 2pz orbital, which is left unhybridized, it will lie parallel to the hybridized orbital, and these p orbitals, the unhybridized p orbitals, will form the pi bond or the pi electronic cloud of benzene ring system. So how does it happen? It happens like this. There are 6 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So each carbon atom has got these Sp2 hybridized orbitals, which are arranged at an angle of 120 degrees. So these carbon atoms will form bonds with each other, just like that. The hydrogen atoms will come here. It's going to be like this. There are 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So the Sp2 hybridized orbitals will be used to form the sigma bond. What about the unhybridized orbitals? Let's represent the unhybridized orbitals here. These are the unhybridized p orbitals. They will bond with each other just like that. So there will be a pi electronic cloud above and below these atoms. This is how a benzene ring is formed. So all those compounds that have got at least one benzene ring in their molecular structure are called aromatic organic compounds. I think this much is enough for today's lesson. We will come up with another lesson next time. Thank you.